Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, downtown Chicago. Happy Friday to all of us, here to talk to you about the grain markets. All right, we'll start with the corn market. Here's the first chart of corn here, and you can see the triple top on the chart, and I think it's the time of year now where you want to be friendly to the corn market. I think we get above this triple top here, the market could trade a little bit higher, maybe 10 cents higher, so we'll watch about that. The managed funds are short the markets here. The markets are very good at distributing as much punishment as humanly possible, so we'll kind of see how we go here with the corn market. Next week is April. And I think the market's going to try to hold together here till we get a better handle on the middle of April, the last half of April, the weather and things. They're planting corn in the parishes in Louisiana. They're planting corn in Texas. So here we move into the spring planting season. China bought U.S. corn like they're rumored to be doing here, and the biggest purchase in 5.5 years. That'll mean now that China's going to buy U.S. ethanol here soon, and that'll be a positive for the corn demand story. So we get this report in a couple hours time. So you got the double whammy today of the planning intentions report here today, and then China USA negotiations started yesterday. So we got some tweets out of our president this morning, made our stock market go higher. Soybeans are a few cents higher here as we speak. So we'll see about this report here. You can see the chart of soybeans now. Our next chart, remember last week I said, this looked bearish here. They looked a little toppy, so you've seen some technical selling in soybeans this week. I wouldn't be short at these levels here. We'll kind of see where we go. You want to stay away from the deluges of rain here. And again, the weather looks better today than it did 10 days ago. So we'll keep talking about that. Okay, China's purchases of U.S. soybeans, about 920 million metric tons in February, so that's good. But put this in perspective, a year ago in February, they did 3,500 million metric tons of U.S. soybeans. So China a year ago bought 4 times the amount of U.S. soybeans. We need to get this turned around and picked up in here. And then the wheat chart here, you can see, I think the corn and bean charts are a little bit more important this time of the year. Wheat's a follower. I think wheat's a good buy at lower prices, so we'll kind of see about that. So wrapping this up, this report here in a few hours' time, we'll see where we close. I think that's always really, really important. This report, again, it can be carry some adjustments that traders don't see. For example, the USDA might come out and say last year's yield on corn was lower than anybody talked about any of the numbers, so lower production. They've done that in the past. So we'll see about all that. Everybody have an excellent weekend.